Honorable Minister for Urban Development, Shri Venkaiah Naidu ji, Dr. R.K. Pachori, Chancellor TERI University, Dr. Rajiv Seth, Registrar, Dr. Prateek Sharma, Dean, Faculty of Applied Sciences, Dr. Arvind Mishra, Dean, Faculty of Policy and Planning, all of my colleagues, Excellencies, distinguished guests, members of our Board of Management, Academic Council, visiting faculty members, graduates, and friends and families. As Vice Chancellor and on behalf of all of our faculty members, I'm delighted to welcome you to this ceremony to award students who have graduated in 2014. And it's been, in addition to what the registrars mentioned, 15 years since we were recognized as a deemed university by the Government of India, a special batch indeed. The university is very proud to have had you as our students and would like to thank you and your families for being with us through this journey. We sincerely hope and expect you to stay on the course of sustainable development, carrying everyone in your circle of influence with you on this journey, no matter where you are today and where you will be in the future. On this special day for you and your families, we would like to congratulate you for successfully going through this intense multidisciplinary programs with their focus on problem solving, and would like to encourage you to remain engaged with the university and its students as you move forward in your career paths, which I'm sure will be very successful and meaningful. For the benefit of the family members present here, the TERI University is proud to see how its students are already making their mark on society, from helping integrate sustainability reporting in important activities of the Government of India, including the publication of the economic survey, to setting up social enterprises, from contributing to the efforts of international development organizations to being embedded in corporates to bring about change from within. Our students are everywhere. To enhance the experience of our students in the years that they spend with us, we have been continuously experimenting, thankfully with positive outcomes, with different innovations. About 2 years ago, we introduced a day of ice-breaking activities and discovery of extracurricular interest groups that would facilitate a very important aspect of student life, that of forming lasting bonds, and to provide an opportunity for a more holistic development of all of our students. We also introduced a short course on ethics and sustainability, delivered by an associate professor from one of our partner universities, Utrecht University in the Netherlands. Opportunities for increasing real-life exposure and learning are being provided through an increasing number of field trips and industry exposures. This year, our students spent 3 to 5 days in the early parts of their program to visit urban, rural, and natural habitats and experience the sustainability challenges in these diverse contexts. The students of our first batch of Urban Development and Management, in their second year now, have spent several months in various municipal bodies in and around Delhi and have not only enriched themselves through this experience, but have also imparted some learning to the officials in these organizations, I believe. Each of our departments are well on their way to establishing flagship programs of their own to engage wider stakeholders with our mission and open doors for our students as they step out. Distinguished guests and families, the TERI University is unique in its mission and the environment it provides for a systemic understanding of sustainability challenges. I would like to invite each one of you to engage more closely with our mission and to help us improve our performance and outcomes and further brighten the future of these sustainability champions of the world. For the coming years, we will be striving hard to increase the presence of international students on our campus so that we are more reflective of this globalized world that we live in. And I'd like to invite several of our representatives from different high commissions and embassies to also join us in this particular effort. With these words, I would like to wish all our graduates all the very best once again. Thank you very much.